Yeah, I wrote an article about the Mermaid scripts, and these are textual scripts that capture processes, steps, and those can be visualized very easily. Um, it seems that my enthusiasm is not broadly shared, so maybe I didn't really explain it well. So when you create a script, it's the one-off that is not even that spectacular, but if you then need to change and alter and start a dialogue with someone on the exact charts, then the value really becomes clear. So what I will do here is show it a little bit, and I'll start with Mermaid as a GPT in ChatGPT because that gives you clear indication. Let me start with a sequence diagram. The two maybe most valuable charts are the flow charts. They give logical steps on a certain process, like the map of a town, complete map, and a sequence is taking a route through that map. And it shows you who is involved or what is involved. So I clicked on a preset, and as you can see, it starts talking with Mermaid chart. That's a provider of Mermaid script software. It's integrated in other applications as well, like Draw.io, I think in GitHub, in Notion. Now, as you can see, I get code for the sequence diagram, and then it starts rendering the diagram. It gives me a nice overview on a customer talking to a barista and ordering cappuccino. And the CM is the coffee machine. So this gives you a bit of an idea what you can do. You can copy the code, take it into Mermaid chart. Let me go there. There's something I could do. I also just wanted to show I can also create a script with AI in Mermaid itself. So let's do a sequence diagram. Now, as you can see, I did that from spoken language or written language, natural language, and I've gone to a setup, and now I can copy the code and make it part of what I do. I can do alterations. It's good to realize that it keeps being script. So it's very visual, very tangible, but in the core, it's still text. Very lightweight, easy to adapt later on and to render into visualizations again. With this, I hope I've made a little bit clear what the power of Mermaid scripts can be, how it is connected to AI, how you can go from natural language processes. What I do a lot is I talk to clients, I transcribe what has been discussed on how something works. Often it's quite complex. And then I go straight to visualizations from there. So I ask, what's the process in this company? Or can we come up with a Gantt chart of a project I'm doing? There's loads of projects you can do. And with all these explanations, I'll put it in my article. And I hope it explains the power of Mermaid scripts.